Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to keep your car performing at its best, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best fuel system cleaners for 2025 to help improve fuel efficiency and engine health. Be sure to check the links in the description for all the products mentioned. Let's dive right in. Number 6. The Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a powerful solution designed to keep your engine clean and efficient. Formulated with a high concentration of polyetheramine, PEA, this cleaner effectively removes deposits from fuel injectors, carburetors, and combustion chambers, enhancing fuel system performance. One of its standout features is its ability to clean nearly 100% of deposits in a single treatment. Simply pour one 15-ounce bottle into a full tank, and it goes to work breaking down gum, varnish, and ethanol residue. Additionally, it helps stabilize gasoline, which can reduce long-term wear on the fuel system. Drivers have praised the product for making engines run noticeably smoother with improved throttle response after use. It's particularly effective for vehicles that may have been affected by poor quality fuel or long-term buildup. If you're searching for a high-performance cleaner to protect and restore your fuel system, Redline SI1 is a proven, reliable choice that offers excellent value for your money. Number 5. The STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer is a comprehensive solution for maintaining and improving your vehicle's fuel efficiency and engine performance. Its advanced formula deep cleans the entire fuel system, helping to restore peak engine power, reduce emissions, and combat harmful ethanol deposits. A standout feature of this product is its ability to lubricate engine components, reducing friction and promoting smoother operation. It also works well with modern gasoline engines, including turbocharged and hybrid vehicles, and is fully compatible with capless gas systems. Many users have praised its effectiveness for road trips and highway driving. One Jeep Wrangler owner reported consistently better MPG outside ethanol-heavy regions, achieving over 23 MPG on highways. Another highlighted the product's smooth engine performance and its role in keeping the vehicle running efficiently on long journeys. For those looking to maintain their engine's health and maximize fuel economy, STP Ultra 5-in-1 stands out as a reliable and practical choice, especially for vehicles frequently exposed to ethanol-blended fuels. Number 4. The BG44K Fuel System Cleaner is an exceptional product designed to clean and restore your vehicle's fuel system. This powerful cleaner effectively targets and removes carbon deposits from fuel injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, helping to improve engine performance and fuel efficiency. A single can of BG44K can treat up to 20 gallons of gasoline, making it an efficient solution for maintaining your vehicle's fuel system. It works with all fuel system materials, alcohol-blended fuels, and common fuel additives, offering versatile compatibility for various vehicles. Users have consistently praised BG44K for its ability to restore lost performance and improve gas mileage. Many have noticed smoother engine operation and better fuel efficiency after use. One user mentioned a clear improvement in fuel economy, confirming the product's effectiveness in real-world conditions. If you're seeking a fuel system cleaner that offers noticeable results, BG44K is a highly reliable choice. It helps boost combustion quality, enhance power output, and keep your engine running smoothly. Number 3. The Redline 60102 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is an outstanding solution for anyone looking to optimize the performance of their power sports vehicles. This 4-ounce bottle effectively cleans deposits from intake valves and combustion chambers while lubricating the upper cylinder, helping to reduce octane demand and restore lost power. It's an essential tool for improving fuel economy and overall engine performance. This cleaner is compatible with both pump gas and race fuel, and works with pre-mixed or injected two-stroke engines, making it versatile for a wide range of vehicles, such as dirt bikes, street bikes, ATVs, and PWCs. Just pour one bottle into the fuel tank for an easy and effective cleanup. One satisfied customer shared how it improved the starting process and throttle response on their WR450 after battling rough starts and throttle issues. This quick and affordable solution is perfect for anyone who wants to enhance the ride and performance of their bike or vehicle without major repairs. For a reliable, fast solution to fuel system problems, Redline 60102 is a top choice that delivers impressive results. Number 2. The Lucas Oil Deep Clean Fuel System. Cleaner is a highly effective fuel treatment designed to keep your engine running smoothly. With its 5.25-ounce bottle, this cleaner is perfect for vehicles needing regular maintenance. It cleans fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, preventing harmful deposits from forming and improving overall engine performance. Many users, like one with 2 Honda vehicles, have shared that they use this cleaner with every oil change to maintain their fuel system. While the results aren't always immediately noticeable, the product's real value is in keeping the system clean over time, ensuring no buildup or clogs occur. This helps to avoid potential engine problems down the road. With a flash point of 68 Quart, Lucas Oil Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner is safe for regular use, offering peace of mind. Plus, it's easy to use. Simply add a bottle during your oil change. For anyone looking to keep their fuel system in top condition and maintain smooth engine performance, Lucas Oil Deep Clean is a reliable, long-term solution that prevents future issues. Number 1. The Chevron 67740 Case. Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System. Cleaner is an effective fuel system cleaner that tackles a variety of issues in your engine. This 12-ounce bottle, pack of 6, works to clean fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. It also restores lost power, improves acceleration, and increases fuel economy, all while protecting the fuel system. One of the standout features is its ability to reduce rough idle, engine hesitation, and spark plug fouling. It also helps with cold start performance, ensuring your engine runs smoothly in colder conditions. Users also report better fuel stability for up to 1 year. This product is ideal for automobiles, trucks, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, and lawn care equipment. Many users find it particularly helpful for older vehicles, especially when dealing with alcohol-based fuels that are common in many regions. A reviewer mentioned that it helped smooth out their older vehicles, which had been sitting with low-quality gas. For optimal results, use every 3,000 miles or at your next oil change. Chevron Techron is a great way to keep your engine running at its best. And that's a wrap on the best fuel system cleaners for 2025. We hope this helped you find the perfect product to keep your engine in top shape. If you found the video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more car care tips. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for all the products. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.